Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cable management. So as you can see, I need to do cable management on all these systems. But first of all, I'm going to test them before I start my cable management so that I won't start having any issues after doing the cable management and finding out that any of the network cable is not good. So first of all, I'm going to test the systems to see if all the systems are going to have network using LAN, then before I start doing the cable management.